What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 1 hourly to check out some major levels. Yesterday's diamond reversal pattern finally played out with a little volatility at the end. This was mentioned on yesterday's video where we could get that breakout with a higher probability to the upside. Now, today, we're analyzing also on the daily the major levels that we do have for Bitcoin. What could potentially happen? Can we continue to the upside, or are we going to get a massive rejection from this range? This is something that we are going to talk about in today's video, guys. Make sure to stay tuned. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin crypto, also the live streams to connect with the community, not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research, guys. Quick reminder again, if this video gets over 1,000 likes and you comment down below, you're eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Last video only got over 500 likes, guys. Come on. It seems like you do not want any giveaway. Okay, let's dive in here straight into the daily chart and analyze the situation. For about a week or 2 weeks approximately since we did created this low on the 24th of February, we were talking about a potential bearish Gartley pattern, which is this one right over here. This pattern still is valid, okay, from this major correction that we did have, this bounce from the lowest part to the top right there, to the low, to the 88 Fibonacci retracement, and then, you know, the Gartley pattern could potentially take you to round about that $48,000. Now, we talked about this pattern that it was still going to be valid if it was above the C, above the $35,000. We only went as low as 37.2 approximately, as you can see here on the chart. So this is very much valid. We could still continue to the upside here in the next coming days. But it is true that we have huge amount of resistance. This is also something that we were talking about on the channel since we created this low. We are in an ascending channel, okay? And, you know, I do believe so that we do have a liquidity grab above $46,000, which would be that $48,000 range, okay? This is the moment where I want to see a reaction and potentially be extremely bearish for a potential rejection. Guys, remember, for all those experienced traders, down below you get the best bonus available. My favorite trading platforms, Bybit, you get up to $4,100 worth of bonus and a 30% trading fee discount. And on PrimeXBT, my favorite day trading platform, up to $7,000 worth of bonus, okay? All the info is down below here in the description, and I also have full video tutorials down below. Now, let's analyze the chart here on the 1 hourly, and we can zoom out on the 4 hourly also. As you can see, the diamond reversal pattern did have a little bit of volatility at the very end, but it finally played out, guys, very, very nicely to that target below $42,000, currently above 42. Now, we want to see how we are going to react at this range, because it is true. Let me just zoom out here on the 2 hourly so we can see the situation on the chart. Now, we do have, you know, that big spike on VPVR, okay, from the price action that we have from December all the way till today. We can see these big mountain spikes, right? We've got one right over here. This is currently where we've got that consolidation at the diamond bottom pattern. This was kind of screaming for a potential long opportunity that Bitcoin was going to successfully hold this range and get that major bounce. So far, so good. What is going to happen now? Because that's already happened. I don't care what happened. I want to know what happens next, okay? We do not really know what happens next, but we can find these major levels where we could get rejected or we could get a bounce as support, right? Let me just tell you one thing, because I can already see a major resistance zone here, which is VPVR. As you can see, we are seeing that very nice price action hitting this major resistance and looks pretty bullish, right? Now, we do have a big spike on the VPVR at this level. I'm talking about that $42,000 range where we're currently getting this volatility right now. Now, if I take this top also from the range, you know, Fibonacci is absolutely fantastic. From the low part here to the top, we did manage to hold that 618 range, right? That golden pocket range, guys, from the low to the top. We finally hold this range. So what is going to happen right now? If we do get the fib level from the high here to the low, Does this mean we are potentially going to get rejected at that 618, at that golden pocket? As you can see here on the chart, this is currently where we are hitting right now. So we do know that we got a lot of resistance. We could have a consolidation, all depending on how we consolidate at this range. It is important, guys, to see that the bulls are not managing to fight. Now, would I short this level right now? Of course not. I want to see a reaction, just like we've been talking about, you know, from this reaction, this right over here is a reaction already. Look how the price reverses, okay? So this is what I want to see right now. Shorting right now would be absolutely crazy because we could slide through this range in a matter of hours. So let's see what happens, okay, during the day, in between today and tomorrow. I want to see some of that volatility. I want to see some of those wicks. I want to see the bulls getting exhausted for that potential retracement, potentially to that 39.5 40k range again. We know that this level is also major support. It's been strong resistance, as you can see here on the chart. So it would be definitely a level to take profits if there were to be a short opportunity in the next coming hours here. And guess what? This might be a long opportunity because it is heavy resistance. And also, if we were to stop around about this range in between $42,000 and $43,000, then if we take fib levels from the top to from the low to the high here, that 618 is also round at this level where we do have this massive support, guys. So we need to try and find those opportunities in between these ranges, right? Get in, get out, get in another one, okay? And then potentially we are going to have that, you know, potential trend direction in the next coming days. So far, nothing much to add here, guys. Yesterday was absolutely brilliant. We did get this massive pump this morning from the breakout here, and now we need to see what is going to happen. I want to see a reaction here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a live stream afterwards. I'll try and do it at the US Open, so to see if we can find any trading opportunities, guys. Make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website. We have the latest news, technical analysis ideas here, so make sure to check it out. The link is down below in the description. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.